Hello YouTube, this is Chelsea from STEM APKs. Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be talking about the Olympus Air and an application that I made for you to be able to use the Olympus Air and manipulate it through your computer. Because if you may know, the Olympus Air came out a few years ago. I think in 2015 or something like that. It came out, and it was basically, you might not know, Olympus sold the camera division, and since they sold the camera division, the apps that were used for the Android and the iOS in order to control the camera are basically, the support is not there anymore, or so it used to be. So basically that's why I made this application, so I can basically control the camera without using a smartphone or without using either an Android or iOS, but just use a computer. I tried it on Linux and it worked. I tried it, I'm doing it on Mac now. I have not tried it on Windows, but it should work because it's Rust. So all you need to do is download, go to my GitHub, and I just updated it about an hour ago, so it's all current. And I'm still working on it. I'm still cleaning up a little few things, so I just uploaded it. So what I'm going to be showing you is the code and what to do. So this is the code. It's got 4 basic functionalities. It allows you to take pictures. It allows you to view images on the SD card, and also to download images and to delete image. But I don't recommend to delete images through the Wi-Fi because it's a pain. So just take the SD card and just put it on a adapter and just delete it the old-fashioned way. It's a lot easier because Wi-Fi, it gives you a hard time to delete images. You can download them, you can view them, but to delete them is a little bit more challenging. It also allows you to capture a photo and capture video. So this is all the code that is there, and I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So basically, let's do a little bit of housekeeping first. I'm going to be showing you because you're going to be needing this in order to connect it to your Wi-Fi. And it's the password. If you have the camera, you might already know this. Just in case is a recent acquisition, is the password that you need for the Wi-Fi is right there. And it's gonna give you it has the serial number and also the Bluetooth and the password for the Wi-Fi. And once you connect it to your Wi-Fi, it will show with that and something similar to this, and you're ready, good to go. So what is the code? So let me open a terminal. And these are all the files, and the cargo tomo, like I said, everything is on the GitHub, so it's all there for you. You're going to need to have, of course, Rust installed and MPlayer. If you don't know MPlayer will work on Linux, will work on Mac, and will work on Windows. But that's basically all you need. All of this stuff, Rust takes care of it for you. So it's basically just to have Rust on your computer and also MPlayer installed. Okay, so let's go here. Let's close this. And I'm going to be running this script that I made for to be able to run this. It's just a very basic script, but it finds the default IP address For Olympus cameras is this one right here, 680.10 for me anyway, and that's what the script does. So it does the automatic connection. So I'm just gonna run it. Make sure you make it an executable first. So gmod plus x, and then the name of the file to make it an executable so it can run. So now let's just run, and there's some warnings. I gotta clean that out. Like I said, I'm still working on it. So it gives you 4 options. Like I said before, it's 4 functionalities. It's the take photo functionality, view images, live view, and refresh image list. So if I go down and I look at the images that I have already, it's going to show me the images that are on the SD card, on the device, on the camera. So it's got 3 images. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna take a picture so you can see it happening. Right now it's got 3 images. So now you're gonna hear it, and you hear it click, and it's gonna take another one. So it's gonna take 2 pictures. I have it doing 2 pictures just to make sure that it worked. So at least I get one. At least I'm assured to get at least one. So now when I do view images, it's going to give me the command saying that the photo was captured successfully. So now I go and look at the images, and now I have 2 more. So now I have 5 because it took these last 2. Now if I want to download these images, I just go to the image that I want to download, and as you can see here, D for download. So D is going to ask me to confirm that that's what I want to download. Say enter, and now you're going to see a image that is going to appear right here in that envelope, in that directory, and you see it right there, 005. And now if I look at it, that's the image that I just took, and that is it. So you see how easy it is to take a picture, how easy it is to download a picture. Now if you want to see a thumbnail of what the SD card images that are on the SD card, like I said, this camera does not have a screen, so you don't know what's in it. So you don't know, you can either, if you don't have a phone, you don't have access to what is on the SD card. That's why I did this, so I'm able to see what's inside the SD card. So I'm gonna just, here it says enter to view selected image. So I'm just going to hit enter, and now is running on debug mode because I was working on it. So don't mind the messages, it's just debugging. And then it's going to be soon, it's going to be telling me that it's ready. And to view the image, it's gonna take a little bit depending on your Wi-Fi. And I lost the connection, I think. Yeah, it's restarting, so let's kill it and start over again. That's the only problem with working with Wi-Fi. It's gonna be finicky, so don't be patient, because it's Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth is even worse. So it's going to, let's do it again. View image. Now let's choose this image. Enter. And it's debugging mode. And this, hopefully it will work, because this is still a proof of concept still, because I'm still working on it. And now it's ready. So now let's So it's ready to take an image and then hit enter. So I'm gonna hit enter. And now the resolution is gonna be low. I must warn you. It's not gonna look like that, but at least it gives you an idea of what the image is, right? It doesn't look as the resolution right now is pixelated, so I made it bigger for you to see it. But as think of it as like a thumbnail, just to give you an idea what is inside the SD card. So now that you know what it looks like, then you can hit any key, go back, and now it also gives you the ability to download it. Like I said, now you can also refresh the image list. It found 5 images, nothing changed. So, but now let's see if the video works. Let's say, so now you hit enter, and now you see video. So now you can see what the camera sees. And it's a little bit laggy because you can, I played with the FPS. As you can see, that's my hand. I'm putting my hand inside. So it's a little laggy, but it works. And that's you can, like I said, you can increase the FPS. I have it, I think, at 60 right now. But you can, depending on the resolution, you can go down to 30 FPS. I wouldn't go past 60 because it will put a lot of strain on the connection. But basically, it does video. You can take a picture. You can download, and you can view the images. And I hope you make good use of it. And thank you for watching. This is the end of this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please click the like box, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time with another tutorial. Take care.